Hi, this is Fran Torsen. We're going to create a little project here using some of the video scenes from our video collection, and we are going to weave those scenes together in Explaindio. Now, I'm doing this on version 2 of Explaindio because most of the people in my subscriber list have not switched over to 3 yet. Version 3 has a lot more features, but we're going to keep it simple. And if you're still using Explaindio 2, this will, be very easy for you. If you're using Explaindio 3, you can do the same thing. So let's just work with existing assets for now. We're going to create a new scene. Now you can see here on the bottom of the page, we can do all kinds of things with Explaindio. I have a whole course and a whole bunch of videos about how to use Explaindio. And if that's something that you're interested in, pop me an email and I'll set you up with it. I want to keep this simple here and just work with our existing assets. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be adding videos from local storage, right, on my computer. And let's see here. I'm going into my 184 things. Now I've got this set up in modules. And the first thing I'm going to do is pick a section opener. I created a bunch of new doodle openers here. So let's do one here. Let's do, let's take our module 5 marketing. All right. I'm importing that video. And on the bottom of the page, I'm saying don't sketch. This is a video. I'm not interested in having it sketched. If you want to have a sketching component in your video, that's cool. But I'm just going to make that full screen proportional and then close the canvas, and you can see here what that looks like. What I have done is I've created little animations in my SVGs there, see? So there's the opener. I'm going to create another scene and insert another video. Now that's module 5 is marketing. I have 2 folders for that. One contains all of the original videos. See, I've got a lot of these doodle videos here. Let's just add a couple more while we're at it. We'll add a video here. We'll use one of these. There's a nice color there. We'll add that. And again, we'll make that full screen like that. And then we'll add another one. I'll add this one from the other file. I added some additional things that real estate agents do. And I did that from, and I did that because we have really done a lot more things since that testimony to Congress that Pat had done. Now, what you're going to see here right now is that the way these fit on here, see, you've got this white frame. So probably the best idea is to go back and just expand these a little bit. Make sure you've got all the text in there. Right? And just to make sure. See? And then you've got a full screen. Let me go back and do this with these because I don't like that. You just have to make sure that you take a look and have the whole, see, that doesn't have that. Let me see. I'm going to move that up a little bit, right? Let's see. That's good. On these, I've got a little bit of a line there, but I think that's okay. Let's add one more here just for the heck of it. Oops, I'm not adding animation, I'm adding a video. And we're going to go back to this one over here. And here's one. All right, we're going to make that a little bit bigger. All right, let's see how that looks there. Okay, create a Facebook ad. Okay, now the next thing we do is we can add some audio. We can add audio here. Of course, we can go right into our library and pick anything we like there. And then we can create the video. So if we go up here, select the size. I always choose the biggest size for high def. I like perfect quality and fastest setting. And I will start the export. Now the video is being created. It will take just a couple of minutes. I'll put this on pause and come right back. Okay, our export is complete. If I open the video folder here, I'll be able to take a look at that and check it out. This is the demo video right here. If I click on that, that opens up into a full screen. And there we go. So I'll take that down now. So I mean that's how easy it is to work with these assets in Explaindio. Now, of course, the other thing you want to consider is putting an outro at the end. If you have an outro that is already in video form, you can use the same process, create the new scene and insert the video. Or you can go in and you can insert a picture and you can insert text and create a call to action and an outro at the end before you create your video. So there are lots of ways you can use this. I think it's pretty cool. I have another video about that, so I'm not going to get into that now. I want to keep this short, but that's how you can work with these assets. So with 450 or so different videos, there are a lot of possibilities you can do. Again, I would probably, I've got a section opener here. You can do other different types of section openers. What we do when we're selling your house, blah, blah, blah. There's the section opener. What you can also do here, if you like, is when you have this canvas open, you can add text. You can add text right on top of that video, and you can put your name. So let's say I want the name, right, ABC Realty. All right, I can change the font on that. I can make that a different color. And then I can close the canvas. I probably would not sketch that. You don't want to overdo that whole sketching thing. All right, so it will go through the video and then it will come in. See that? All right. That's a terrible color, by the way. And that's not the way that I would set that up. But it shows you, again, that you do have the ability to write over any of these that you want. So if you want to, work with these videos and make some corrections on top of them, you can do that. So that's how you can use Explaindio to weave together scenes from your massive video collection.